Gary from Centric in Solihull, and we are proudly presenting to market this immaculate 3-bedroom penthouse at Waterside behind me. It does come with 2 underground parking spaces, so come on in and see what we've got. So internally, the property is finished to an excellent standard throughout and offers 3 double bedrooms with 2 bathrooms, as well as a guest WC and an incredible open plan living, kitchen, dining and entertaining space. So externally, you've got this incredible wraparound terrace offering views over the countryside to the back, as well as the fountains to the middle of Water's Edge. For more information, contact myself or Nancy on 0121 705 3242 option 1.